Stop. Put the jumper cables down. Seriously, drop them. If your car wouldn't start this morning and it's below freezing outside, you might be about to make a dangerous mistake. We all know batteries die in the winter, but there's a massive difference between a dead battery and a frozen battery. A dead battery is annoying. A frozen battery is a bomb. If your battery is actually frozen solid, literally a block of ice inside the plastic case, and you try to force electricity into it, the pressure inside can blow the case apart. In this video, I'm going to save you from destroying your car and maybe your eyesight. I'm going to show you the bulge test to spot a frozen battery instantly and the exact step-by-step process to thaw it out safely. If you think, my battery is fine, it's just cold, you need to watch the next minute of this video before you turn that key. First, we need to understand the enemy. Why did your battery freeze when your washer fluid didn't? Here is a chemistry fact most people don't know. A fully charged car battery is almost impossible to freeze. Inside your battery is a mixture called electrolyte. It's sulfuric acid and water. When fully charged, it won't freeze until minus 76 degrees Fahrenheit. But as your battery dies, the sulfuric acid leaves the liquid and bonds to the lead plates. What is left behind in the liquid? Mostly plain water. And we all know water freezes at 32 degrees. So, if you left your lights on, or if your battery was old, it discharged itself. It turned its own insides into water. And then last night, that water turned into a solid block of ice. When water turns to ice, it expands. So, how do you know if you're safe? You need to perform the visual inspection protocol. Sign number 1, the bulge. Look at the short sides of the battery case. If the sides look swollen, rounded, or puffy, like a bag of chips at about a pop, that is ice expanding inside. Sign number 2, the cracks. Look closely around the metal terminals. Sign number 3, the slosh test. If you pop the cap off and look inside, if you see slush or solid ice, stop immediately. Connecting cables now causes a massive flow of current. This heats up the internal components. But because the ice blocks the gas, hydrogen builds up instantly. Boom. Okay, so it's frozen. Can you save it? Maybe. Here is the only safe way to thaw it. Step 1. Bring it inside. You need a controlled environment. Do not leave it in the freezing car. Step 2. Place it in a laundry tub or a bathtub on a piece of cardboard. Step 3. The waiting game. You'll be tempted to use a hairdryer or hot water. Do not do this. Plastic gets brittle when cold. Thermal shock will crack the case instantly. You have to wait 24 hours. It's been 24 hours. The frost is gone. The sides have gone back down. Now we check for leaks. Now we connect a smart charger. Set it to the lowest amp setting possible. We want a slow soak. Watch the voltage meter. If it climbs slowly from 11V to 12V, success. Once it hits 100% charge, put it back in the car. If it starts, you save yourself $200. Now, how do we stop this from happening again? Remember, a charged battery doesn't freeze. Drive your car for at least 30 minutes to get the chemistry hot and active, or use a battery maintainer if you park outside. It keeps the battery topped off. And if you're leaving for a week, just disconnect the negative terminal. Winter is tough on cars, but ignorance is what kills them. Check for the bulge. Don't rush the thaw.